and we're making chili verde. Now it's cooking. You don't know, just let it sit. We got our cabbage. I love to have cabbage with it. Now put the knot on the bottom to cut it. And you get your big knife. Make sure it's cleaned off, and chop it. Set this over here. Chop it like this. And again, and just chop it up. I like to just in slices just like that. Do as much as you want. You know, if you cut too much, fine, just put it back in the fridge. It's okay. Cut yourself. Alright. And I like to chop it just like that. You don't have to do cabbage. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to put it on my plate here. I like to have that. Then you get a lime or a lemon. Chop that in half. Now when you put it with your chili verde, either in a bowl or you're having it in a burrito style, whatever, just squeeze that on there and salt it. Tastes really good with this verde.